Is it possible for you to show up the face? Yes. Sangita Amma, Nikita Amma, Usha Amma, not Usha Ghosh, another Usha. Yes. So let's start. Today we will chant Bhagavad Gita, second chapter we will start. Okay? Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahabhiryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhet Tamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Hari Om. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Guru Paramparaya Namaha. Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Om Samastajana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram. Om. Today we will chant Gita, second chapter. We will start. Okay. Let's chant. Not, sorry. Just listen to me and then chant after me. Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Athadvitiya. Athad, because dvi, the and va. So it's a conjunct consonant. And before that, small vowel atha a is there. So athadvitiya. Okay. Athadvitiyodhyayah. 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 Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya Uvacha. Tantatha. Tantatha. It is tantatha. Because ta, if we say ta varga, the nasal of ta varga is na. So Anuswara's pronunciation will be nakara as like Tantatha Kripaya Vishtam. Tantatha Kripaya Vishtam. Ashrupurna Kulekshanam. Ashrupurna Kulekshanam. So Ashrupurnam. Okay. Kripaya Vishtam. And then Ashrupurna. With the pencil. There will be half ma and then Ashrupurna. Antatha Kripaya Vishtam. Ashrupurna Kulekshanam. Bimlama, I'm repeatedly muting you. Please be conscious. Bimlama, please mute yourself. Okay. Vishidantam idam vakyam. Vishidantam idam. Here the anuswara will be wa because vakyam is there. After anuswara there is va. So idam vakyam. Here also vakyam vacha. Vacha. Okay. Is it clear to you? So vishidantam idam vakyam uvacha madhusudanaha. Vishidantam idam vakyam. Please, whenever you will sit for Gita chanting, sit with a pencil, please. Because you have to make a lot of note. Okay. Let's chant. Tantatha kripayavistam ashrupuranakule vishidantamidam vakyam vachamadhusudanaha. Once again. Tantatha kripayavistam ashrupuranakule vishidantamidam vakyam vachamadhusudanaha. Then Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kutastva Kashmalamidam Vishame Samupasthitam
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है.
No, it is your network problem, Ghosh Babu. Is everybody is listening clearly? Am I audible clearly to everyone else?
Yes, it is clear.
Sir, this line
Yes, it is clear.
Ghosh Babu, it is your network problem. So, Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, verse number 2. Kutastva Kashmalamidam. Kutastva Kashmalamidam. Vishame Samupasthitam. Anaryajushtam Aswargam. Please make a note. Anaryajushtam Aswargam. Aswargyam. Anaryajushtam Aswargyam. Akirti Karam Arjuna. Clear? So chant together. Kutastva Kashmalamidam Vishame Samupasthitam Anaryajushtam Aswargyam Akirtikaram Arjuna. Once again. Kutastva Kashmalamidam Vishame Samupasthitam Anaryajushtam aswargyam akirtikaram Arjuna. The third verse was very famous and one of the favorite verses of Swami Vivekananda, the third verse of second chapter. Though second chapter is the very important chapter, the whole Bhagavad Gita is enveloped in one chapter, that is second chapter. Okay. So I know you all are studying anyhow the Gita, Bhagavad Gita, but you should know how to chant it properly. Chanting is the part of learning. According to Veda, one of the 6 Vedangas are there. The Veda, entire Veda, 6 limbs are there. And 6 limbs are very, very important. One of them is chanting properly. Otherwise, it is a committing severe sin. It is papam. So we should learn how to chant it properly. Okay. Third sloka. Klaibyam asmagamaf partha. Klaibyam masma gamaf partha. Nai tatvayupapadyate. Nai tatvayupapadyate. Kshudrao. Because ha is there. So ha, the pronunciation takes like wa of anuswara. If anuswara follows ha, the anuswara's pronunciation remains wa. Kshudrao hridaya daurbalyam. Tyaktvo tishtha parantapa. This is very, very powerful verse, you know. Klaibyam asmagamaf parthanai tatvayupapadyate kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktva parantapa. As if Bhagavan is slapping Arjuna. So that boldness should be there. Okay. Klaibyam asmagamaf partha nai tatvayupapadyate kshudrao hridaya daurbalyam. Kshudrao hridaya daurbalyam tyakvo tishtha parantapa. Tyakvo tishtha parantapa. Once again. Klaibyam asmagamaf partha naitattvayupapadyate kshudrao hridaya daurbalyam tyaktvo tishtha parantapa. Arjuna uvacha, the fourth sloka. Arjuna uvacha katham bhishmam aham the sakara is there, the anuswara will be again like wa. Katham, there anuswara will be ma, because bha is there, bhishma. So bha belongs to pavarga. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Ma is the ending, nasal word. So anuswara will take the pronunciation of makara. So katham bhishmam aham sankhye. Katham bhishmam aham sankhye. Dronam, dronan, dronan cha madhusudana. Here the anuswara will be like nya, because cha is there. Cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. So anuswara will take the pronunciation of nya. Katham bhishmam aham sankhye. Dronan cha madhusudana. Dronan cha madhusudana. You please write nya just above the anuswara. Ishubhif, ishubhif pratiyotsyami. Ishubhif pratiyotsyami. Puja, pujarhavarisudana. Pujarhavarisudana. So chant together. Katham bhishmam aham sankhye. Dronan cha madhusudana. Ishubhif pratiyotsyami. Pujarhavarisudana. Once again. Katham, katham bhishmamaham aham sankhye. Dronan cha madhusudana. Ishubhif pratiyotsyami. Pujarhavarisudana. So, clear? Up to that, Anushtup Chanda was there. From 5th sloka, there is Trishtup Chanda. Okay, you can make it a note. Now the Trishtup Chandas are going on.
Is it different from Upajati? It's called Upajati also.
No. Chandas, meter.
Chanda.
Chanda, meter.
The meter.
Yes,
Okay.
meter. So how it comes, it depends on the number of the letters in each quarter. Okay. Like in Anushtup Chanda, there is 8, 8, 8, 8, 16 letters, 16 words are there. Katham, Bhishmam, Aham, Sankhye, Dronam, Cha, Madhu, Sudana. Like that. Okay. May I see all my students' face? Can you open up your video just, not audio? Ghosh Babu, mute yourself, but open up your video, please, if it is possible. Then Usha Ma,
Yes, I am doing.
Snehalata Sharda Amma. Okay. We can start the 5th sloka. Okay. Guru Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan. This is the tune we will go. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan. Once again. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan. Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyam apiha loke. Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyam apiha loke. If you break this word, bhaikshyam apiha loke, it will be, you can manage it nicely. Hatvartha kamastu. Here also Anuswara will take place, the sound of va. Hatvartha kamastu guru nihaiva. Hatvartha kamastu guru nihaiva. Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Clear? So start with the first. Chant together. We will chant it thrice. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan. Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyam apiha loke. Hatvartha kamastu guru nihaiva. Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Once more. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan. Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyam apiha loke. Hatvartha kamastu guru nihaiva. Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Another time. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan. Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyam apiha loke. Hatvartha kamastu guru nihaiva. Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Wonderful. The sixth. Nachai tad vidmah. Here ka, after visarga there is ka. So the visarga's pronunciation will be jihva mulya, like kha. But you know, if something stuck into our throat, how we do? This is the pronunciation of jihva mulya. Okay. So nachai tad vidmah kataranno gariyaha. In all your book, it is written gariyo. It is also correct. But at the time of chanting, we have to pronounce it as like gariyaha. So cut the O with the pencil and put visarga. Nachai tad vidmah kataranno gariyaha. Yadva jayema yadivano jayeyuhu. Yadva jayema yadivano jayeyuhu. Yane vahatvana jijivishamaha. यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः. All your book there is only jijivishama. Please put visarga after ma. Jijivishamaha. So there will be not stay in the next line. Please cut the sa. Make it only te. Because of visarga, it was omitted. Visarga was converted into sakara according to sandhi rule. But when we are chanting, we are splitting the sandhi. So we have to utter the actual pronunciation of the actual word. Okay? Clear? In Nikita's window, I am seeing some confusing face. Is it clear to everyone else?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः. Here the avagraha means akara. Actually, te avasthita. Okay. So instead of a, there is avagraha. So when there will be avagraha, there will be no pronunciation of akara. Okay. Clear? So what will be the pronunciation of avagraha? The previous vowel will be prolonged. Clear? Devasthitah. Devasthitah pramukhe dhartarashtraha. Clear to everyone else? Thank you. So, chant it together. Kalpana Amma, may I see your face, please? न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे Dhartarashtraha. Srijata Amma, please open up your video. For a long time I have not seen you. It is not the cause. I want to see the lip movement and facial expression. Yes. So, second chapter, 6th sloka. न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे Dhartarashtraha. Clear? Next sloka, 7th, is very important. Though you study Gita and your respective teachers or acharyas mention what is important, what can I do? Swabhava dosha.
Guruji, one more thing. Can you just repeat the beginning of the 6th sloka? Na chaitad viha.
Vidmah. It is there with maha. Visarga is there. But Visarga's pronunciation will be different. Because if you follow my first 2 classes, there I have clearly explained what will be the pronunciation of Visarga. Okay. So now I am not taking this part, Amma, then I can't complete. Please go to the YouTube and please listen 2 classes only. First class and second class. Go to the YouTube, Divakar Chaitanya, go to the playlist and there you will get Art of Sanskrit Chanting and there you just follow first class and second class. There you will get the whole explanation. Okay.
Thank you.
So 7th sloka we are starting now. Karpanya dosho pahatas swabhavaha. Here pahatas. Why? Because swa, sa and va is there. So it is conjunct consonant. So here before conjunct consonant there is short vowel ta, a. So conjunct consonant's first letter will be doubled. Can you remember? Almost in every class I tell the same thing. So you please write another 1/2 sa on the top. That will remind you at the time of chanting. Okay. Karpanya dosho pahatas swabhavaha. Clear? Prichhami tvam. Prichhami tvam. Here Anuswara will be clearly pronounced as makara because nakara, dha is there. So dha belongs to tavarga and the nasal of tavarga is na, ta tha da dha na. So prichhami tvan dharma sammudha chetaha. Please write it down, okay? What about I am telling? Otherwise you will all forget. Prichhami tvan. And another point I just skipped. Prichhami, I is short vowel. And after that, twa is there. Ta and va. Okay, conjunct consonant. So ta will be doubled. Clear? Prichhamit. Prichhamit tvam. Clear? Is it interesting? Just make another ta before the ta. You are all maximum Hindi spoken person. Make another half ta. Then it will help you. Prichhami tvam dharma sammudha chetaha yachreyasyan. Then visarga will be sakara because after visarga there is sakara. Clear? Yachreyasyan nishchitam bruhi tanme. Clear? Yachreyas. Please write sakara instead of visarga. Yachreyasyan nishchitam bruhitan me shishyasteham shadhimam tvam prapannam. This is the most important sloka for us, the student. Unless and until we surrender, we bow down to our teacher, that I don't know anything else. I just want to forget what about we have learned. Please teach me, please guide me. That sort of surrendering attitude, unless and until comes, there will be no knowledge will take place. Bhagavad Gita is clearly saying, see, शिष्यः ते अहम साधिमाम त्वाम प्रपन्नम. I am your disciple. Please accept me as your disciple. Though it is not the Gita class, but you know, some slokas compelled us to tell something. So this is the sign of the spiritual student or any student. If you go for learning Sangeeta, music or anything else, if you don't bow down to your teacher, knowledge will not come. Okay. कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेहम्. Here also avagraha is there. So te will be prolonged. Shishyasteham, steham, because sha is there after anuswara, so anuswara will be va, va. Shishyasteham shadhiman vam prapannam. After ma it will be man, man, because ta is there, but after twa there will be ma because pa is there. Clear? So write it down small, small. Na, ma. It will be better for you. I hope you take the note. Yes. Karpanya dosho pahata swabhavaha prichhami tvam dharma sammudha chetaha yachreyasyan ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम. Clear? Am I clear? Everyone, thank you. Now, 8th sloka. Another important sloka. Okay. Nahip. Nahip. Because he, E is short vowel. Then, pra. Pra is conjunct consonant. So, nahi prapashyami mama panudyad. 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 Okay? Because U is there before Dya. Nahi prapashyami mama panudyad. Yachoka mucho shanamindriyanam. Yachoka mucho shanamindriyanam. Avapya bhuma vasapatnam riddham. Avapya bhuma vasapatnam riddham. Rajyam suranam. Break it. Rajyam suranam apichadhipatyam. Apichadhipatyam. Okay. Nahi prapashyami mama panudyad. Yachoka mucho shanamindriyanam. Avapya bhuma vasapatnam riddham. Rajyam suranam apichadhipatyam. Here mriddham, because Anushwara takes the pronunciation of ma because it is the ending of one quarter. Clear? Once again, नहि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणाम् अपि चाधिपत्यम्. Next one. Again, Anushtup Chanda will be starting from 9th number sloka. Sanjaya Uvacha. Sanjaya Uvacha. Eva Muktva Rishi Kesham. Sorry. Eva Muktva Rishi Kesham. Budha Keshaf Parantapah. Budha Keshaf Parantapah. Keshaf. Visarga will be like Fakara because Pa is there. And then Parantapaha. Visarga. Nayotsya iti govindam. Ma is half. Halanta. Uktva tushnim babhuvaha. Babhuvaha. So chant together. Eva muktva rishi kesham. Budha keshaf parantapaha. Nayotsya iti govindam. Uktva tushnim babhuvaha. Once more. Eva muktva rishi kesham. Budha keshaf parantapaha. Nayotsya iti govindam. Uktva tushnim babhuvaha. Then 10th.
Sir, can I please ask a question?
Who?
In
Yes.
Goda Keshav Paran Tapaha. Will it be Tapaha or just Tapa?
See, some Acharya has tell Parantapa because if it is Sambodhanam, then it is He Parantapa. Some Acharyas has explained it as Parantapaha, first case. So both are correct.
Thank you.
Okay.
एक मिनट, ये गोविंदम क्यों बोला? गोविंदम
Because Govindam is
गोविंद न
Yes.
योत्सल इति गोविंद.
no. Govindaha is Akaranta Punglinga. Ramaha Ramo Ramaha Ramam Ramo Raman. So Govindam is Dvitiya Ekavachanam. That is why Govindam.
उक्त्वा.
Yes. Uktva. Clear? Thank you.
Yes.
Mute yourself. Tamu vacha Hrishikeshaha Prahasanniva Bharata. Tamu vacha Hrishikeshaha Prahasanniva Bharata. Senayor ubhayor madhye. Senayor ubhayor madhye. Vishidantam idam vachaha. Vishidantam idam. Anushwara will be va. Idam vachaha. Just a minute. Just a minute, please. Yes. Nikita, parantapaha is verily correct,
Okay,
not
sir.
parantapa. Okay. Make it parantapaha. Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Tamo vacha Rishikeshaha. Here, the second quarter, this is the quality of Ishvara. In second chapter, we will get the thing, Prahasanniva Bharata. Our Bhagavan is always that smiling face, even in the terrible battlefield also. So how will be our attitude? Always equipoise condition, always in bliss. He is established in bliss. He knows his intrinsic nature and everything is mere maya or illusion. So Prahasanniva Bharata, that is the whole attitude of Bhagavan Sri Krishna in entire battlefield. Always smiling. So, Tamuvacha Rishikeshaha Prahasanniva Bharata Senayorubhayor Madhye Vishidantamidam vachaha Vishidantamidam vachaha. Clear? So up to that we will learn, we will repeat. But you know, I feel one thing, how interesting it can be that our next Sanskrit course is going to be started in next week probably. And there will be some interesting thing because maximum of our students are very interested in Bhagavad Gita, and it should be. If we learn Sanskrit grammar through Gita, how will it be? Then each and every letters, how the grammar has been imposed. So in that way, Gita, Bhagavad Gita will go through us. Because we generally go through Bhagavad Gita. If we want that Bhagavad Gita goes through us, so we need something else, some parameters. So this is just thinking a level. I don't know how much, because a lot of preparations are needed, you know, for starting any one class. So we are thinking, if you love, then you can write me in the Sanskrit group. I hope all of you are in the Sanskrit WhatsApp group. If not, please write me personal text that you want to join that group, please. Otherwise, it will be difficult for us because some important messages I will put only in that group, Sanskrit chanting group. Okay. So if you are not included in that group, please immediately text me in my personal mobile, personal WhatsApp number 9411322642, and I will include you there. Okay. So first, please chant from first. Means second chapter we will start 1 to 10 together, but muting your phone. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः. संजय उवाच तन्तथा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम् विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः. श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टम् अस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन. क्लैब्याम् आस्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते. क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम् त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप. अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहं संख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन. इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हावरिसूदन. गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्ष्यमपीह लोके. हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्. न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयः. यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः. यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः. कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः. यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं साधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्छोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम्. अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणाम् अपि चाधिपत्यम्. संजय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशम् गुडाकेशः परन्तपः न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः. तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत. सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः. Clear? I expected one question from Nikita, that you always tell that wherever there is conjunct consonant, the conjunct consonant's first letter will be doubled. But
Yes.
here in the third sloka, Klaibyam Masma Gama, there only you clearly chanted Masma. Sakara was not doubled. Why?
Sir, because that's a long vowel, na? Ma.
Yes. Ma is the long vowel. So
Yes.
if before conjunct consonant there is a long vowel, that conjunct consonant's first letter will not be repeated. Clear? Thank you.
The fifth one, last line, there is Rudhirap.
Rudhirap. Rudhirap pradigdhan.
Yes, sir.
Because ra is there,
Hmm.
short vowel, and pra is
Hmm.
conjunct consonant, so pa will be doubled. So please write another pa, just half pa. Rudhirap pradigdhan. Clear? If I miss little thing, you should mention me. I feel pleasure. So up to that today, I beg permission from you to utter Purnamada. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari everyone else.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for
Hari
attending
Om.
us.
Hari Om.
Swamiji.
More important.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.